Welcome one and all. This is Shomodeep Pudutundo back here after a long time with weather service. As we will be proceeding national weather prediction today, we will be talking about the climatic factors affecting India in next 3 days. What is going to happen in India? Chalo, let's see. An anticyclone as well as a cyclonic circulation prevailing over the parts adjoining to West Bengal, bringing about possibly more thunderstorm activities over the eastern zones, specifically for Odisha, Andhra Pradesh as well as West Bengal. We'll see a tremendous amount of thunderstorms in upcoming 3 days, with Bihar also getting a rainfall as well as the few isolated places of UP, as well as a trough line connecting these places till New Delhi till Myanmar is bringing about a thunderstorm activity possibly over the concentric zones of eastern as well as central India, while a patchy rainfall with an isolated coverage ranging up to a light rainfall is expected over South India, specifically in case of Bangalore and adjoining places. We'll see a scattered rainfall activity, while a high temperature will be seen in case of Rajasthan, Gujarat adjoining places. Let's see what is going to happen in case of weather in North India. In North Indian context, a slight more rainfall will be seen in the eastern places adjoining to Chandigarh, and Uttarakhand also will be getting an approximate patchy rainfall, a slight amount of rainfall in upcoming 3 days. No such more or tremendous rainfall activity will be seen in the next 3 days in case of North India. A very important factor to see is temperature, because temperature is hiking up to 43-44 degrees Celsius in isolated places of Rajasthan, Gujarat and adjoining area in upcoming 3 days. So a heat wave condition will be prevailing in North Indian places. Let's see what is going to happen with temperature and rainfall in stations of North India. Delhi is getting 38 degrees Celsius as maximum. A minimum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius as minimum will be recorded in case of Delhi. A partly cloudy sky will be prevailing there, while Srinagar will see a 24 degrees Celsius as maximum and 7 degrees Celsius as minimum in this case, while Shimla approx 25 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius maximum minimum temperature will be present over there. Dehradun will be seeing 25 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius as that of Shimla is same, while Jaipur and Bhopal will be getting a remarkably hot temperature, still 41, 42 approx as maximum, and 25 degrees Celsius in both the cases will be maintained with a partly cloudy sky in the most places of the stations. Let's see what is going to happen in South India. South India will be seeing an isolated light to moderate rainfall. This moderate rainfall will be seen in isolated places adjoining to Bangalore, Karnataka, southern Karnataka places. Kerala also will be seeing a widespread type of light rainfall activity throughout the coastal adjoining place. Tanjavur, Madurai, these places will be also getting a light to moderate rainfall in upcoming 3 days as concerned, while Andhra Pradesh, lower Andhra Pradesh will see less rainfall than upper Andhra Pradesh, because the eastern Indian zone will be getting an impact of the cyclonic circulation which is prevailing over now in case of Bay of Bengal and adjoining places. Let's see what is going to happen with temperature and rainfall in terms of stations. Hyderabad will get a maximum temperature of 37 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature as concerned. Chennai will be getting a same approx temperature to that of Hyderabad, but a drip of temperature of 4 degrees Celsius up to 34 degrees Celsius as maximum temperature will be seen in case of Chennai. Bhubaneswar will be getting a maximum temperature up to 33 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, while Kochi will be getting 30-31 in case of Mumbai, which is near about the same. Though the minimum temperature of Mumbai will be up to 28 degrees Celsius, and Bangalore will be getting a temperature which is relatively 34 degrees Celsius as maximum and 23 degrees Celsius is minimum, while stations getting rainfall is Bhubaneswar, Kochi, Bangalore in next 3 days. Let's see what is going to happen in case of the eastern zones. As I said, in this next 3 days or 7 days, there will be scattered rainfall amount over the places of the eastern zones. This rainfall activity will be temporarily located during the evening hours in case of West Bengal, afternoon hours and such in case of Odisha. Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh will be getting a rainfall coverage in upcoming days during the afternoon hours. This rainfall activity will be bringing about thunderstorm as well as hailstorms in the places of eastern India in upcoming 3 days. What is going to happen with in terms of weather as well as temperature in the stations of eastern India? Let's see. So let's see what is going to happen with temperature. Kolkata is getting 31 degrees Celsius as maximum, minimum temperature up to 25 as minimum. with isolated rainfall. Patna will be seeing an isolated rainfall with maximum temperature nearly towards to Kolkata. Ranchi is also getting up to a temperature up to 35 as maximum and 20 degrees Celsius as minimum with the isolated rainfall coverage. Silchar is getting a partly overcast condition with a light rainfall in case of 33 degrees Celsius as maximum and 20 degrees Celsius as minimum will be located in case of Silchar. Agartala is getting an optimum temperature up to 33 degrees Celsius, which is quite normal in this time, with 15 degrees Celsius as minimum, while Gangtok is getting a slight higher temperatures nowadays, which is ranging up to 23 to 10 degrees Celsius as maximum minimum. Let's see what is going to happen in case of overall in next temperature as concerned in our pan India. As I said, the places up to Jodhpur till Kota, Ahmedabad will be getting a temperature ranging up to 43 degrees Celsius, and a heat wave condition will be prevailing in northern sectors, as well as in case of Madhya Pradesh and adjoining Karnataka, Telangana places, the temperature will hike up to a maximum temperature which is ranging up to 39 and 40. Let's see what is going to happen in case of Northeast. Northeast temperature will be moderate nowadays. No such temperature drip will be seen in upcoming 3 days, while Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh will be getting an isolated snow coverage over the Himalayan range. Let's see what is going to happen in the next days in case of the temperature as well as in case of rainfall. As temperature is concerned, as I said, there will be more temperature, so there is no rainfall in case of the northern and central India, as we can see through this map. While as rainfall is concerned, light rainfall will be seen in case of Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, and the below southern places such as Karnataka, Kerala too. While in northeast, all the 7 sisters will be getting a rainfall up to a light, that is 1 to 19 millimeter approx, while West Bengal and Odisha in upcoming 3 days will be seeing a more violent thunderstorms activity. So we have given a moderate rainfall which is ranging up to 20 to 64 millimeter approx over isolated places, specifically in case of the coastline and in the interior places. North of the Bay of Bengal will be north of the places, that is the specifically in case of the Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh will be seeing an isolated snowfall, while we will be getting a special weather update as heat wave is concerned. As I said, North India there will be a high temperature hike in case of the places of Rajasthan and Gujarat, and adjoining spaces like case of Maharashtra will also get a heat wave in upcoming 3 days. While the rainfall, as far as I concerned, in the previous map we saw a similar type of rainfall distribution, while a relative low type of rainfall will be seen in the overall places of pan India. Let's see, moving on to the next further discussion of weather. Stay connected with us. Don't forget to subscribe us and Facebook page also. Thank you.